Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can manage easy mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, scroll down again and click on Easy Mode. Finally, scroll down one more time and click on the gray sweater next to Easy Mode feature. Now adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you're done, go back. As you can see, Easy Mode is now on. But you can always switch it off by going back to the same settings and clicking on No Blue Sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!